The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has had a profound impact on every aspect of our lives. The way we live, the way we work, the way we think, the way we respond. Who would have thought we could seek comfort in the absence of people? Yes, it taught us a few good things too. Empathy, compassion, love, social responsibility. But it has also taught us panic. Panic at the news, the numbers, the lockdown extensions, and the grim details of what the future entailed. After all, we had contained ourselves within our homes with sincerity and hope. But given the extent of its spread and the nature of the virus, it's evident we will have to live with it, at least for the time being. The numbers will grow, but it's up to us to gear up for a new normal without panic, exploring new ways to care and cure. The government has been battling the many manifestations of corona and the subsequent lockdown on many fronts. Amongst all, providing healthcare has been one of its biggest challenges. We don't have enough hospital beds to accommodate the current number of active cases, and the swelling numbers are a clear indicator of the fact that there would be a major dearth of medical care and supplies in the near future. Our frontline workers and caregivers continue to risk their own lives to help us live better. Here's what you can do to help them. Do not panic if you or a family member falls sick, if a member of the family is tested positive for corona, if you or a family member is asked to undergo self-isolation. So what do? Do not assume you are infected. Consult your family physician for advice. Continue to wear masks and follow social distancing. No doubt corona is one of the deadliest viruses we have ever dealt with. But we have a very successful rate of recovery and some very inspiring stories too. A 106-year-old man from Delhi is by far the oldest in the country to have successfully fought the coronavirus. A couple from Kerala, aged 93 and 88, also have their own success story. And the youngest warrior to have fought and survived is a 9-month-old baby from Uttarakhand. These are not mere stories of recovery, but proof that corona is not as deadly as we think. It can be fought with better immunity. As we prepare for a phased exit from the lockdown, the onus is on us to ensure that we continue to take all the necessary preventive measures the way we did during the lockdown. In a densely populated country such as ours, social distancing can be effectively achieved if we step out of our homes only if utmost necessary. We may have to put aside our personal priorities for a while, but these simple sacrifices will help us defeat corona. Bharatiya Jain Sanghatna is on a mission to save lives with quality healthcare, ensuring that people are equipped physically as well as psychologically to deal with the impact of coronavirus. We request your support and cooperation to help us and the nation become corona-free. Together, we can fight this deadly disease. Until then, stay masked and socially distant to stay safe.